This quick guide explains how to buy shares of RELX PLC, ticker REN.NV, which trades on Euronext. RELX is a global information and analytics company serving research, legal, and risk markets. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker REN.NV to find the stock. Choose the result that shows the Euronext listing to ensure it's the correct RELX PLC share. On the asset page, check the brief company description and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the page shows RELX PLC on Euronext with the REN.NV ticker before continuing. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy and select any order type, then carefully review the details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade, the new position appears in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. The eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.